Hey, how you doing? This is Tom with Leverage Equity Research. This is your Snapchat analysis of the day, following up on an article published earlier. We're going to take a look at HealthStream Incorporated. Company's a healthcare information services provider, specialized in workforce solutions, and the reason why we taking a look at this stock is noticing some good sponsorship here, both by institutions and insiders. Small cap stock with only 25 million shares out in the float. But we down here, we have institutions and insiders. Institutions having 71% of the stock, with insiders with a 20% stake. Always good to see when you see that much interest supporting it. Also, performance here over the last 7 days, 30 days, and 3 months. As you see, stock up almost 4% here in the last few months. Stock up about 0.5% today, closing out at $21.74, up 11 cents. Company's doing about $209 million in revenue. Slowly traded today, only about half its average volume, but nice stock to put on your radar. I'm going to take a quick technical look at the stock. Here, looking out overall 4 major time frames. In fact, let's just zoom in first here on the daily. Looking at a stock that pretty much is coming down off its high from the $30, $32 level set back a little over a year ago. But after some earnings reports here over the last 2 quarters, seems to have been finding a base here in this $18 to $20 range. And then about a month and a half back, after getting some upgrades on the street by, see, who was it? Looking at FBR Capital here about a week ago, initiated coverage, put an outperform on the stock, put a $27 price target. Also looking back a little over a month ago, Needham upgraded it to a buy, and that was shortly after the company beat the street estimates with their earnings per share and announced a $25 million stock repurchase program. But here over the last 4 or 5 days, since that last upgrade by FBR, you see the stock here over the last 4 or 5 trading sessions right up off that $22 level, almost 10% move. You got the 50-day moving average now holding the support here and starting to turn up towards that 200. So she looks like she wants to maybe go take a stab up at this $24 level. Point is, though, well off the basement here over the last month and a half since that last earnings report, and after that big gap up, did come down and close the gap, but now we're going up into new, freshly driven snow, I like to say. So that's HealthStream. And then once again, just want to mention here on the institutional sponsorship, 71%, insiders 20%, doing a good $200 million in revenue with a very small flow out there. So that's our snapshot analysis of HealthStream. It's brought to you by Leverage Equity Research, and as always, consult a professional investment advisor before investing in any stocks.